Have you ever applied for a job that you're super excited about and then the next thing you know, crickets? You have been ghosted by the recruiter. Now, this happens a lot, and one of the reasons could be that you were making the classic mistake of having words or phrases in your resume which screams red flag to the recruiter, hence the ghosting. So today we're going to look at 11 words and phrases you should absolutely avoid on your resume. Trust me, the next 10 minutes will be worth sticking around for to find out which one of these words or phrases is holding you back from securing a fantastic job and what you can do about it. For those who are new to our channel, firstly, welcome. My name is Stephen Adindo and I'm the lead coach at the Career Accelerators, where we help non-tech professionals transition into fantastic tech roles, earning six-figure salaries and completely transforming their lives. And if you do enjoy this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to leave a comment with your thoughts as well. With that out of the way, let's dive in. Number 1, objective summary. This is outdated. Replace it with professional summary or career highlights that highlights your achievements and skills. For example, instead of saying objectives to obtain a challenging position as a business analyst, you can say professional summary. Experienced business analyst with over 5 years experience specializing in data analytics and complex problem solving. Number 2, team player. Now, it's great to be a team player, but instead of saying it, show it by describing a team project you excelled in. Consider replacing this word with words like collaborated, coordinated, contributed. So instead of saying team player involved in project completion, you can say collaborated with cross-functional teams to ensure successful project completion ahead of schedule. Number 3, unemployed. Now, we completely understand that there may be gaps in our careers. However, there are creative ways of describing these periods, like listing what you have been doing to enhance your skills. So whether through freelance work, courses, or volunteering, consider replacing this with current activities, engaged in professional development. For example, instead of saying unemployed since 2019, you can say engaged in advanced cybersecurity training and freelance projects since 2019, enhancing skills in threat mitigation and network security. Number 4, detail oriented. Now, instead of this worn out phrase, please provide a specific example where your attention to detail was critical to project success. Replace with precise, meticulous, and thorough. For example, instead of saying detail-oriented manager, you can say instead meticulous project manager who consistently achieves project milestones through rigorous attention to detail and documentation standards. Number 5, self-starter. Like many of these terms, it's better to demonstrate with examples such as a project or an initiative you began without direct supervision. Consider replacing with proactively developed or independently launched. For example, instead of saying self-starter in developing business solutions, you can say independently launched a streamlined workflow system for the cybersecurity team, enhancing threat response time by 30%. Number 6, synergy. Now, this buzzword is tired. Talk about how you've collaborated on projects or integrated solutions across teams instead. Consider replacing with collaborated, integrated, united efforts. For example, instead of saying utilized synergy to enhance team productivity, you can say collaborated closely with the IT and marketing team to integrate efforts and enhance overall team productivity by 25%. Number 7, think outside the box. Replace this cliche with a concrete example of a creative solution you have devised and implemented. Consider replacing this word with innovative, creative problem solving, original strategies. For example, instead of saying always thinking outside the box, you can say developed original strategies that revitalized underperforming product lines, leading to a 40% increase in market share. Number 8, responsible for. Please switch this passive phrase for active verb that show your direct involvement, like managed, developed, created, led. For example, instead of saying responsible for managing a team, you can say led a team of 10 people in complex multi-phase software development project that delivered results 20% faster than industry standards. Number 9, dynamic. This word is too ambiguous. Detail the dynamic actions you've taken in roles that brought about positive changes. Consider replacing this word with proactive, high energy, and results driven. For example, instead of saying dynamic sales leader, you can say proactive sales manager who spearheaded a cross-regional sales initiative that increased annual revenue by 15%. Number 10, worked. This verb does nothing to stand out. Use more descriptive verbs like engineered, designed, or orchestrated to describe what you did. For example, instead of saying worked on several web development projects, you can say engineered a comprehensive redesign of an e-commerce platform that improved customer engagement metrics by over 50%. Number 11, references available upon request. This is a phrase that wastes valuable space on your resume. Employers assume you will provide reference if they ask for them. So use this space to highlight your skills or achievements instead. Your resume real estate is precious, so make every single word count. So there you have it. That wraps up our list of resume no-nos and how to turn them around and make your resume more impactful. Did any one of these words or phrases resonate with you? Do let us know in the comment section. Are there points that we may have missed? Also let us know. If you found these tips helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to celebrating your 6-figure tech job. Peace.